This guide will walk you through the different search options in Attack Surface section. Go to your organization's dashboard. Navigate to the Attack Surface page. Then select the Discovery option. The Attack Surface menu is equipped with a powerful search that allows you to search using ownership, which accept the following values: acquisition, internal, rejected, third-party service. Search using type of assets, which can be an IP, a domain, a subdomain, an Android or iOS application, an organization, an ASN, a TLD, an email, an address, a person or a service. We can also use a normal search. We can use the depth to indicate the depth of the graph. For example, if we set the depth to 1, we can access and observe the immediate relationships linked directly to the asset. And by choosing a depth of 2, we expand our view to encompass the relationships extending to the second level, revealing connections beyond the immediate ones. And we can use limit, which is the limit of how many assets are shown. Click on the search menu. If you are not familiar with the search tag, suggestions of possible values are shown. Either click on one and complete it or type it directly. You can also zoom on a single asset and its connections to get a better view. In this guide, you have learned how to use the advanced search options for the attack surface using Ostorlab.